with me. Spices, herbs from A to Z. Flavors bold and scent so bright. Let's explore each one tonight. A's for allspice, warm and sweet. B's for basil, fresh and neat. C is cinnamon, cozy delight. D is dill, so feathery light. E is for episode, bold and strong. F is fennel, where it belongs. G is ginger, zesty and bright. H is horseradish, packs a bite. A, B, C, come cook with me. Spices, herbs from A to Z. Flavors bold and scent so bright. Let's explore each one tonight. I is for Italian herbs mixed with love. J is for juniper, pine from above. K is kaffir lime, that's so fine. L is lavender, floral divine. I'm is for mint, fresh and cool, N is nutmeg. J is for juniper, pine from above. K is kaffir lime, zest so fine. L is lavender, floral divine. M is for mint, fresh and cool. N is nutmeg, a baking jewel. O is oregano, pizza's best friend. P is paprika, smoky till the end. A, B, C, come cook with me. Spices, herbs from A to Z. Flavors bold and scent so bright. Let's explore each one tonight. Q is for quassia, bitter yet bold. R is for rosemary, stories told. S is saffron, golden delight. T is the time smoke, a mighty bite. U is for uva, earthy, good for tea. V is for vanilla, sweet as can be. W is wasabi, spicy and green. X is celopia, rare and unseen. Y is yarrow, bitter but bright. Z is za'atar, Middle East delight. A, B, C, now we know. Spices, herbs that help us grow. Mix and blend, make something new. Cooking's fun with me and